running boards. Let's show you how to do it.
This is a 2024 Ford F-150 STX four-door crew cab. And these running boards, they're $150 on Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. I'll put a link in the description so you can take advantage of these. Now, these are 2 years old already, and they are holding up fantastically well. I'm really impressed with them. They're aluminum. You'll put these brackets on these pre-mounted holes that Ford puts in there for you, and it's just a matter of putting the bracket on, and you put on a washer, and then you put on a lock washer, and then you put on the bolt. Now, you can clean these bolts off if you want, but I didn't bother. I kind of used it as a thread lock, so to speak. I will tell you, like I said, these have been on this truck for 2 years, over 50,000 miles, about 55,000 miles. I've not had to retighten the bolts. I've not had any rattles, any issues. And because they're aluminum, they're not rusting. They look brand new. Folks, I got to tell you, these are really easy to put on, and they make getting in and out of your truck so much easier. And I can't say enough good things about these. I tried to get the dealer to throw them in free because I am short, and I tried to say that, you know, I'm vertically challenged, so you should make this vehicle more accessible to me. They chuckled at me, but you know, you don't ask, you don't get. So you got to try. But as you can see, again, both sides, you just screw on these brackets, and there's 3 on each side. All the hardware, everything came with it, not the wrenches, of course, but all the nuts and washers all came with it. And once you get these in place, you're going to take your running board, and on the bottom of them, I'm stalling because I think it's coming up in the video after I tighten this bolt here. Let's see. And by the way, these things are so easy to work on because they're so high. You don't need any jacks or jack stands. Now, I am on a inclined driveway, so it was a little bit of fun in my crawler, that my mechanic's creeper, that I did roll down the driveway a couple of times. My neighbors did get a good laugh, and so did I, because I did find it funny. So anyway, on the bottom of the running board, you just loosen these bolts, and then you're going to just, you know, you'll see that they can move easily once you loosen the bolt. And you don't want to take them all the way out until you get them up where you want them. So here I'm just eyeballing where I want it, and you know, you kind of set it how you want, and then you just start getting on your mechanic's creeper if you got one, or just, you know, roll around on the ground, unscrew the bolts that are in the bottom of the running board. They go through the holes on those brackets, and just hand tighten them. Get all 3 of them done, and there's 2 for each one. And once you've done that, then you want to eyeball it, see where you want it, and you can see I made some adjustments there. And then once you got it where you want it, just go back down and now tighten everything. I recommend tightening the middle bracket first, because that'll kind of hold it in place. You can eyeball it after that, and then do the 2 outer ones, and then just give everything a good cinch down. And you're going to see just how nice these running boards look. You do one side and then do the other side, and man, oh man. I hope you like this tip. If you need other tips, and just leave a comment. I'll happily answer any and all questions posted. This channel is for you. It's for automotive type questions and answers and tips. So remember to like, subscribe, and share, because it really, truly helps me out, and it gets the channel going, and makes your life easier, makes mine easier, and we're going to have some fun. Now, as far as a dad joke, there were 2 cows in opposite pastures not facing each other. I asked the farmer, what's going on? And he said, oh, they have beef. Enjoy your day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.